another big one. It is, I'd say it is as big, if not bigger, than the one we just hit.
Really?
Yeah. This one here. This one we're getting ready to get came from our church. It's a tree line behind the church.
Holy honey.
Holy honey, that's it.
We're going to sell this as holy honey.
Holy honey. Yeah, this one was this one's a heavy one.
You got it?
Yep. It's either got a lot of bees or we're gonna have so much wax in this one it isn't even fun. Let's put this in the middle. All right.
Yeah, I'm trying to get over there.
And I want to get something to put that honey in. Because
That? Yeah.
Two boxes, not three, and that's fine. I've got two lids. All right, Mr. Smoker Man.
Get over here, monster.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
All right, just. I put foam, everything. Try to stop.
Oh, man, what's wrong?
Yeah.
This is one we just put in. Both of them are. Look at it.
Charlie, oh, okay. All kinds of uses for yeah.
Now the wind's quite good.
Yeah. Somebody at church had mowed right up against this without even knowing what they were doing.
Right? And they didn't get booked.
I guess not. They didn't hear anything.
They haven't heard anything yet.
Not that anybody knew that this box was there and that
You'll
it was
hear
mine.
about it in church tomorrow.
Yes.
Everybody pray for Bob.
Yeah. He was doing the Lord's work.
And the next thing you knew, he had a swarm of bees on him.
And they don't like it when you bang on them like that, like I just did.
Oh, wow.
Yep, just as I thought.
You got honey in the top.
Got honey
Or
in the
comb.
An old church song, Honey in the Rock. I think there is. This is honey in the top.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty gone.
Wow.
Yeah, that's good.
Part of it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the... Now, if you had something to put that in, that would be good to take home and eat. You see how it's capped?
Whoa, where we got to put it in?
I don't know. That's what I said. If you had,
I'll find something.
I tell you what we could do.
I can use
right
one of
here.
those trays over there. Yeah. I just don't want the bees to go with me.
Well,
But how do you get the honey out?
Now this is comb honey. You can
Oh.
just cut it and eat it like.
Just eat it?
Yeah.
Eat the whole thing?
Yeah. Have you ever had comb honey?
No.
You buy it in the jar and it's
I've
got
seen
the.
it.
Yeah. It's really good.
Put it
And
in
you
the
just
jar.
eat it?
You just eat it.
The
Yeah.
comb too?
The comb too. It's just wax, and then you spit the wax out.
Oh.
In fact, it is more expensive. Comb honey is much more expensive than regular honey. So this is beautiful stuff right here. And you can say this is from our bees. And it's okay if you're going to eat it. It's okay to eat this nectar. If you're going to keep it, make sure you keep that's sealed. Okay.
We'll
See
just-
this
there's just
drone?
enough there for us to.
See that drone? So that's a male bee.
Yeah.
And he's much bigger, and his eyes meet in the middle, and he doesn't even have a stinger.
Oh, okay.
And there's not nearly as many drones as there are these cantankerous females.
And this is all capped.
It's all capped, so,
So
that's
that we can
that you can
gnaw
eat.
on tonight.
Yeah, in fact,
So-
if I'd take a big bite of that right
So,
now.
Charlie, tonight when you say, do you have anything to chew on?
That's it.
I'm going to bring you a piece of honeycomb.
There you go.
You chew on it.
Chew away, big boy. Chew away.
Wow, look at that.
Now, what's going on over here?
Oh.
Is the queen over there?
Very possible.
Uh-oh.
So we'll wait and see what happens. And I'm not seeing these go in that big hive. See, they're not
hanging
going
out.
in, they're hanging out. So they're looking,
So
and I'll bet she's
in there.
We'll take that and drop them in. Okay.
So there's a queen bee in here somewhere. And I am literally within 10 inches of these bees. Wow, this wasn't like this a few minutes ago because I was taking
Yeah,
pictures.
that was your honey too.
Yeah, no.
All right, here are
Oh.
some. Okay, so this is good brood. This is a great hive. In fact, there's the queen right there.
Where?
Okay, okay. Let me get this.
Oh, wait.
There she is, right there.
Oh, wow.
See her, Charlie? That's a big queen. That's a good one. Yeah. See how much bigger she is?
Yeah.
Let me get through the side.
Oh, wow. I see that.
Bust that off right there.
And that's okay. It's gonna have
Okay,
to come
well, that's
off.
the first time we've seen
Yeah. Yeah,
a queen, so we know she's in
She
here.
knows you're queen. Yeah, she is in here.
So now we
So
got
that's
to
why
knock
we're
that
just
off the bottom.
Take that off the bottom. Let's knock that off good. So we don't lose her.
No, don't lose her.
Yeah,
Bunch of larvae and everything.
yeah,
in there.
that's all right. Just so the queen is where
Stays
we
in
know where she is. And that is a great thing right there. That doesn't
Alright, so
happen.
we got that, and then
doesn't
we
happen
got
very often.
Apparently, queen's over there.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Probably so.
because these guys are hanging out here going, but, what do we do?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Huge watch.
What? More?
Yeah, so let's pick up your honey here,
Right,
Jan.
let's get this out of
Yeah.
the way.
In
Oops.
fact, let's put this right up here. And this is the honey you're taking home with you. Fell. Ouch! Don't kneel down on a bee.
No, you did on the
Ah.
That hurt.
Yeah, you did.
He got you?
Yeah.
Now what about the stuff that's down here? Is this,
Oh my goodness. That is. Oh, see, where's that tool?
The tool behind me.
That we don't want to lose that much brood. See how much. See, all this is eggs.
oh
She's
wow.
laid eggs.
She been busy.
She's a busy bee.
Yeah, she is. She's a good one. That's a good queen right there. Okay.
Now we get the
Like this to just
busy
fall.
bee and
Okay.
queen bee.
Right there you go. This is one we need to put in a frame with rubber bands.
Right.
Oh, that hurts. Got the back of the calf.
Oh. Maybe I need to get me a bee suit, or you need to get bee breeches. Oh, you're getting ready to get stung
and there-
somewhere you don't want to get stung.
Okay.
No, like,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not wiping it
Yeah,
off.
no.
Sorry.
All right, look
You're
at all,
on your own.
look at all those eggs. That is a
Wow.
huge. Look at all those
Wow.
eggs.
I know.
That's a huge
That is
hide.
one.
All right, we're gonna lay this
busy
down the same way.
queen.
This is a great queen. I
Good
mean,
girl.
a great one.
Good girl.
Okay, good. Okay. Sit that down in there.
Now,
Pull those last two frames, Charlie.
Pull these two.
Pull those two.
you're gonna pull the stuff out of those.
We're gonna and pop those wax pieces out of there. I'm gonna go find some rubber bands.
I got that. Beast. Yeah, we need to start coming equipped with rubber bands, apparently.
Apparently. Let me see that. These are much more docile bees than that last one, that first one.
Yeah. Well, the first bunch that we just did here are over here. Because somewhere in there is a queen.
Yeah, somewhere over there.
There's the queen. So we got to get that back over here. Wow. And queen. She's in there somewhere. Wow. Does this one got a lot of eggs in it, doesn't it? Larva, whatever.
Larva, if it's white.
They're kind. This is kind of yellowish.
Yeah.
Well, I can't find the queen, but that doesn't mean a thing. Jeez, is that we got more?